Most think of fraud as a case of identity theft or fake IDs. Yep, that's fraud too, but what about mortgage fraud? How does it affect us, and what simple things can we do to help prevent it? Mortgage fraud is the deliberate omission of information, use of misstatements or misrepresentation to obtain, purchase, or fund a mortgage loan. Well, why would we do that? Well, ask this guy. He's accused of defrauding $10 million in mortgage loans. He got caught, but he used fake IDs to do it, and unfortunately, not all cases like this go investigated. So, how could you get through our processes? Surely we have guards in place for this. Of course, there are. But the competitive mortgage market has never been stronger, and because of this, due diligence is often sacrificed for faster approvals as lenders try and streamline customers to improve their service quality. While mortgage fraud is typically done either in a couple of ways, actually. So, fraud for criminal activities, fraud for profit, and fraud for shelter. Fraud for criminal activities includes funding for grow ups and drug labs. Fraud for profit is simply that, for profit. And fraud for shelter is the most common type, which is usually done when someone can't qualify for a mortgage based on their income being too low, so they lie and state a higher income. This often ends up with them defaulting on the property anyways. They cannot truly afford the monthly payments. So some easy advice on how you can protect yourself from fraud in general includes getting title insurance for your mortgage. This will protect your title claim on the property after you have purchased it. Simple things like destroying and shredding sensitive documents, not throwing them in the garbage, getting a home inspection to make sure that your home you were looking at was not a grow up or a drug lab. Protect your PIN numbers and avoid ATMs that aren't reputable. Check your credit reports once a year for any nefarious activity. Don't carry unnecessary documents like passports or SIM cards unless you actually need it. And of course, any online banking or logins, do yourself a favor and get a password manager and stop using ABC123. Little things like that can make a huge difference in the odds that fraud doesn't happen to you. Stay safe.